It is Thermomix Thursday. What is with this weather? I am absolutely just so gutted that it's raining and it's holidays and we've had such glorious weather, and now it is, cold and kind of, okay, we are in autumn. So today's Thermomix tip is for you if you have got kids who you struggle to get them to eat their veggies. When I discovered this, I was like, oh my gosh, that is absolutely mind-blowing. And I actually felt really clever. So, but first, I wanted to show you, if you are wondering about the Thermomix, what it looks like, how it works. I mean, this is just one tip. I'm going to keep sharing tips. But this is the blade. And one way, if you, turn it one way, then it is sharp, and the other way it's blunt, or on the top it's sharp and underneath it's blunt. So when it turns either way, that's when you're like, if you're doing dough and you don't want to cut the dough, you have the blade that it's going on the dough function, so it's going the other way, so not cutting it. Okay, does that make sense? I also wanted to show you how easy it is just to clean it, or get the blade out to clean it. So you just twist that bottom bit off and you take the blade out like that. And that's all dishwasher proof, and then you put it back in, you put this on the bottom, click it in, and then you're ready to go, okay? So, I made a lasagna the other day, and I chopped up the onions and the garlic in here, and then I just did it normally in the pan. You can do it in here, but I just chose to do it normally in the pan because it's just as quick. But what I did was normally I grate up lots of veggies, and especially my girls, they complain, oh, there's too many, why do you put so many veggies in them? So I thought I would experiment with this, and I cut up loads of veggies. You can see that. So I've got carrots, oops, some falling on the ground, courgette and red pepper. And then I put my lid on and I set the time to 10 seconds, and then I set the power to 9, and I blitzed it, okay? So to stop the buzz, the bell, you can just tick it and touch it anywhere, and it made it, look at this. Oh, it made it into like a puree. Like, this is why this machine would be amazing if you have got young kids. See how that's into a puree? And I'm going to blitz it again to get rid of, there is just a couple of chunks that are still there, and I'll do another 10 seconds. But nobody noticed. And when I told my husband and Ollie, my son, they were like, I can't believe that this has got all those veggies in it. Because of the colour, and you've got tomatoes and you've got tomato paste in, like, nacho mixes, spag bowl, just mince mixtures. This is phenomenal. Because you can stir it through. The texture is all smooth, so you can't taste it, you can't see it. And you've got all those veggies in there. You could do it with broccoli, you could do it with celery, you could do it with like literally anything. Now, if I had a mince mixture, I would just put it straight in. Otherwise, I'm going to freeze that because I don't need it tonight, but I'm going to freeze that. And next time I'm making it, I'm just going to throw it into into my mixture, and I feel so clever. I actually feel really clever that I'm getting veggies into my family, and it's in a way that it's still got all the skin on it, it's still got all the fibre, all the goodness, it's raw, so you haven't got any nutrients by having to steam it and then puree it, and they've got no idea. So that is my Thermomix tip for today. So if you are interested in learning more about the Thermomix and what it can do for you, then just comment below or message me through private messages, and I'm totally happy to answer any questions that you've got. And if you wanted a demo, just let me know. I will look forward to next Thursday I won't be here because school holidays, and so have a wonderful Easter, a wonderful holidays, and I will look forward to connecting with you when we are back. All right, see you later.